Hi, my name is Aditya Gupta. I have done BTech from Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology. I am 2020 batch pass out in electrical engineering. I wanted to do my BTech in computer science and engineering, but due to some reason I got electrical engineering. But I wanted to pursue my career in IT industry, so I started learning programming languages and other things from various platforms like watching lectures from YouTube and various things. But I was not able to make it. After my graduation, uh, I come to know about 10x Academy, where they offer me a full stack web development program, uh, and they only wanted from me at that time is my hard work, consistency, and my dedication toward my work. And I have I have done that for the last 6 months, and they fulfilled their promise. And now I am placed in a product-based company that is ZeOmega, which works for population health management. It was like I was just watching the lectures from YouTube, and I am not practicing much. So I was not able to learn the things properly. I just wasting my time on various platforms, searching here and there. Just because of lack of the proper guidance and the things that is required to learn something. And before joining 10x Academy, I have wasted so much time on YouTube by watching the lectures. I was not able to learn the things properly from that. One day I was checking my Gmail, and I got one mail from 10x Academy where I come to know that it was a pay after placement program, and there was no any upfront fee. So I have just searched about them, and I found that it was real. It was not a fake like fake advertisement. So I searched about them. I got the authenticity of the 10x Academy, and from that time I learned that they only wants from me is my hard work and nothing else from me, and I believe on them. I've already said initially that I've just watched the lecture from various sources, so I've wasted much time on YouTube and various things. With 10x Academy, I come to know that if you want to learn something, like if you want to learn programming or something like web development, then you have to practice uh, much. Like it was not like watching the lectures. You are not able to learn something by watching the lecture. You have to practice more and more. You have to do project. You have to solve complex problems. Then only you will be able to clear your logic. You will be able to clear your concept, and you are going to learn from your mistakes also. So these are the things that I have learned with the 10x Academy. With one-to-one mentor session, I just got the things that I am making. Like I am able to correct my mistake. Whenever I am going to solve the problems, I have to do that in a correct way, so that it will be a good and efficient code. So with one-to-one mentor session, the mentor will guide me. Mentor was guided me to how you can solve the problem, how you can tackle the problem by dividing in various steps and other things. With mock interview, I have learned that what interviewer expect from me, like what are the things they are going to ask in the interview, and it was make me more comfortable with the interviewer. After the completion of my bootcamp with 10x Academy, the placement season is will started, and I got one assessment test from ZeOmega, that is with the help of 10x Academy. where there is an AI based assessment test where I have to solve a few programming questions and some logical questions related to the technology that I have learned, and I just cleared that assessment test. From after that, I have to give two technical round interview, and after that one HR round, and finally I got selected with good amount of CTC with ZeOmega. It was a great experience for me. For the last 6 months, I have learned so much, so many things from 10x Academy, and I definitely believe that it is going to help me in my career and in my life also in the long run. Like I have learned, like if you want to learn something and if you are fully dedicated, you are going to make it. And this is the thing that 10x Academy told me initially, that if you want to be a full stack web developer, if you wanted to pursue a good career, then you have to work hard, and that is the thing that only makes you perfect. And the next academy fulfill their promise also, and now I am placed in uh, very good companies. So thank you 10x academy.